Hi, Will with Metro Garage. We're here in St. Cloud working on a large new install project. We have 40 doors, dock doors going in. We have a team of 7 or 8 guys up here all week working on the doors. Steps, we start by stacking all the doors and then going back, putting the upper tracks in, focusing on keeping our area neat, clean, and orderly. Our team is working on setting the upper tracks in the first team, and then the second team is setting the spring line and lining those springs. For this project, we have selected insulated doors. This is a cold storage facility, so we want to make sure that we keep as much of that cold air in. We went with a full vertical door, so it goes up, out of the way of the forklifts and other traffic, keeps the area nice and neat. 40 doors we're hoping to get done in about 2 to 3 weeks. At Metro, we keep your doors running so you can keep your business running.